Well, g'day folks. I thought I'd just show you what I'm doing in my Tinny. However, I don't know how to do that, holding the camera and needing the camera to be in the shot at the same time. Bear with me, I'll get back to you in a second. So, here's a GoPro action camera clamp. I ordered this one as a spare. I've got one in my hand at the same time. Now every time I video something in this Tinny, there's nowhere to clamp my action camera onto, so I clamp it like this. Clamp it like this. It's really the only place to clamp it. But of course, the camera's hanging out over the water. Now it doesn't seem to fall off. I haven't had that problem yet, but it's hanging out over the edge. So if you drop your camera in the water, it's a big problem because they're expensive. So what I'm doing is I'm hooking up these little, I'm drilling some holes. Threading some rope through so it looks like this one. So it's pretty straightforward. Where's my rope? And it's just going as it should. So I'm just threading the rope through here, burning the ends in the strong wind, so that's not working very well. Burning the ends so they don't fray. Oh God. Burning the ends so they don't fray. I just tie a knot in it so it won't pull through the hole. Whoa. Like so. Like this. Cut the other end off. Broke me scissors before. That ain't good. It's slowing me down. Making things a little unconventional. It was boiling hot here yesterday, and now it's freezing cold. Freezing cold. So I'm doing this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. So wherever I put my camera, I can just clamp it on, which will be fine. Then I can just keep doing what I'm doing and not worry about if my camera falls off, not worry about it falling over the side. Show you, I'll get my phone and show you on the other side. So I'm recording with my phone now. So here's my camera, the one I usually use. Right, it's a Insta360. It's really good. I chose this one because it's got the flip up screen so I can see what I'm doing. So all I do here is clamp it on. See how it hangs way out over the water. So I video myself like this. But I have this always on the end to clip on wherever I'm putting it on my boat. So now I'll move that over here. So I clamp it on, get my carabiner, click it through the rope, and carry on with what I'm doing. So if I put these around all around the boat, to move the camera, I just move it, put it where I want, clip it on the rope, Then if it ever falls off into the water, I don't lose my camera. It's still attached to the boat. So that is my makeshift plan that I'm happy with. So I haven't had to screw anything, I haven't had to buy anything, just drilled some holes and used some rope I have lying around, and working my way around. So we'll keep doing that. I'm up to number 3. Melt the ends, squeeze them together, tie my little knot. Pull it tight. I am going to go out, if it doesn't rain, I'm going to go out and do another video this afternoon. It's pretty cold, but I think I can find myself some shelter up one of the rivers. Just depends if it rains. I don't mind so much if it's cold. I just don't want to get wet. I'm pretty bummed my scissors broke. They're actually not very comfortable to use at all now. Oh my god, the scissors. Burn the ends, squeeze them together, tie the knot. There's another one. I'm happy with that idea. Move down and repeat. This one here. I've drilled these holes, so I've got to vacuum it out now because all the aluminium. I tried to keep it tidy and not spread it all out, all the aluminium shavings, but I didn't do a good job. They went everywhere, so I'm going to have to vacuum that before I go anywhere. Excellent. Working excellent. About that much loop. Cut it about there. With the worst scissors ever. It's too windy. Too windy to burn that. Nice. Very nice, if you ask me. Move around. So I'm putting a couple on the back here as well. All the videos I do are on my own, so I've got to clamp my camera down and move it all the time, which is fine. It's fine, but I like to know it's not going to fall over or drop in the water. So I do like to clamp them down. I might move the fuel tank. Wow. Of course the fuel tank's full. I filled it up just yesterday. At least now I can burn the ends of this without worrying. This one's gonna be a little tricky. It's got to go through 2 holes. So I've had to get a nail to push it through the 2 holes. It's always harder to get it in the 2nd hole. So I need to... Why isn't this working? It's not going to plan. It's not quite right what I did, but it's going to work. You can see I've kind of done it back to front. I wanted to go in and down, but it wouldn't line up with that 2nd hole. That should be fine. So we've got more. Same here. So I'm putting a couple here, one there, and then I'm done. So that's cool. I'm finished, and the weather is terrible. So I've got one in each rear corner. I've got one on this side in the middle, one on the other side in the middle. I've got one here, one in the center, and one on the other side. So anywhere I put my camera now, anywhere I clamp it on, I can just use the clamp, clamp it to the side, use the carabiner that's connected to the camera, click it through. It's hard to do. I've got a short lead and it's raining. Click it through, pull it tight, and it's safely attached. So I'm going to race inside because it's pouring rain. Get my drill out of the rain. Oh, get me tape measure out of the rain. But that's just a quick video on how I'm setting up my tinny so I can video without losing my camera if it happens to fall over the side, since I'm filming by myself. Alright, the weather. Oh, the roller door's open. It's okay. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.